I decided to use a Mappa Burl species of wood because it has a lot of character, a lot of different colors, a lot of knots. Okay. I have the dimensions for the vanity already, so all I have to do is transfer that onto this piece of wood, cut it to size depending on my favorite part. First we have to pick which edge we want as our front, so if we want this side or this side. I just like this here. I think that would be really nice at the front.
Well, imagine you're like standing up with the vanity like that. You're like tucked right in that little nook.
Yeah, I like how it goes in there.
Wow. Butter.
We'll have to clean up this edge too, eh?
We could run each side through the joiner. The reason we're actually using the joiner is to clean up the blade marks. That is way, way smoother. You can't see any of the blade marks. We'll give it a light sand, smooth the edges as well. It's time to mix the epoxy to fill all of the holes and knots. You won't have to worry about water penetrating them and going through the countertop and damaging the vanity. I'm not epoxying the entire top. I would like to keep the character of the wood rather than have it a complete shiny epoxy look. To get the air out of the epoxy, we use a torch. And you can actually watch the bubbles disappear. Although this is the early stages, I think this countertop's going to be really nice.